Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to switch Google DNS server on your Windows. If you are using Windows 7, 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can try this method. So first you need to open the control panel on your PC. So press Windows key button and here you need to search control panel and open it like this. After opening the control panel, go to network and internet and here click on network and sharing center like this and select your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi or your internet connection, just click and open it and then click on properties like this. And in the properties guys, you need to select and check internet protocol version TCP version 4. Just select it and then click on properties. Okay, in the properties, and here you need to check this box, use the following DNS server address, and in the DNS box in the preferred DNS server you need to enter 8.8.8.8. in the next box alternate DNS server you need to enter 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK like this, and once again click on OK and close. Switch to Google DNS server. So this is the very easy and very simple method. Okay, so that's for today guys. It's a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.